Drone TV, voice of drone technology, GIS and AI technologies. Introducing Vikas Singh, Sales Executive of Uturia.
Hello, I am Jadisha Sankhi from Drone TV. Could you please like to introduce yourself and your position in your company?
Yeah, sure. My name is Vikas, and I'm the sales and marketing executive of the company. My company name is Uturia. Basically, we are a drone rescue system manufacturers. We are providing the drone rescue solutions to the fixed wings and the multi-rotor drones.
Okay. So, can you please tell what does it specializes?
Yeah, basically it specializes in drone rescue solutions. It provides a safety measured add-on feature to the drone to safeguard its essential devices and the property and the life in case of any worst situations or any kind of emergency situations.
Okay. So, how does your technology is different from other technologies? What are the equipments you are using or what are the materials you are using in this technology in your product?
Right now, whatever the technology is in the market is not based on the reusability. Our main USP of the product is reusability. We have the string-based mechanism that can be reused as many times. You just need to pack the parachute in it, and you can just deploy it once, and again you can repack it and you can deploy it. So reusability is our main USP, and we are using the carbon composite that makes it lighter and strong. So it's very durable as well as strong.
How does your product stand out in industry? Like how scalable it is, how cost competitive it is in industry right now?
Right now, our product is like we have the first mover advantage right now. In the market, nobody is thinking or providing solutions to safeguard the drones. And if you go on the cost, our cost compared to the foreign products or the foreign solutions which are provided by the drone rescue systems and Para Zero, these are the foreign brands which are providing the parachute recovery solutions. They are providing much 3 times or 4 times cost that we are providing. We are using the indigenous products and we are focusing on the indigenization of the product. That's why we are cost effective.
Okay, that is really great. Which industry or sectors you have collaborated or did you have any partnership to manufacture this product?
Right now, we have all the capabilities within ourselves. We have the in-house manufacturing, designing, and prototyping and quality verification team, and we have collaboration with the Ordnance Parachute Factory, one of the DPSUs of the Government of India. And right now, we are supplying our systems to them, and we have a collaboration with the private partners as well. So we are supplying our systems to the ION, and there are Idea Forge as well. So Gliders India Limited, Idea Forge, we are supplying to all of the clients.
Okay. Do you have issued the type certification for your drone product?
Yeah, we have type certification for the product because right now if you read the latest DGCA guidelines, it has clearly mentioned that the drones right now which we are Government of India or the Indian Defence Forces are buying, they should have a safety measure in it. So that's why we have the type certification for our product, and that's why the Ordnance Parachute Factory is taking our products and selling it to the people as well.
That is really a great approach and great improvement in your industry. So the last question for you is, where do you see Uturia in next 5 years?
I'll be very frank, in next 5 years or like in the coming days only, I see Uturia as a like global brand, because right now we have the first mover advantage in the market, because right now no one is scaling or giving this product, the rescue system, at that level which we are dealing right now. We are supplying to the government DPSUs as well, and we are focusing on indigenization and the Indian companies who are manufacturing the drones at a like larger level or a global level. So we are trying to give our solutions to them at a very cost effective measure, and we are trying to develop an ecosystem where the parachute industry and all the drone industry can come together and improve the products so that we can stand out like different in the world and make a global image for the parachutes and the rescue systems in the world of the India.
That is really a great approach. So, for your company, for a better business opportunities and better approach, would you like to register to DroneTV.in?
Yeah, sure, definitely. If I get any chance to register in the Drone TV or any of the for media house or publication house, I'll definitely register over there and expand my business and join the marketing opportunity as well.
Yeah, thank you so much for your valuable time and your knowledgeable product, and even let us know your services there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.